Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power, let's choose power off and touch power off one more time. Let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's remove the first tray. The first tray is located right here at the left edge of the device. You have to use some thumb tag or special eject tool to open this tray. As you can see, in my case it could be simple a thumb tag. Let's remove this tray, and here you need to insert the Nano SIM card. So here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position. Alright, now you can insert the whole tray into your device. Let's press it to the end, and let's also open the second tray by using also the thumb tag. Here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So as you can see, this is the dual SIM version. Let's insert micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and let me leave one slot empty. Alright, let's put the whole thing right here, and now all you need to do is simply press power key and check out if both cards works properly. Let's unlock the screen. As you can see, the SIM card manager opens automatically and the phone is reading our first SIM, so it's a good sign. Let me also go to settings in order to find and select the storage information. Choose device maintains, tap storage, and as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so everything went well, both cards are working properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.